In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and share status updates by Asana AI 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, log into Asana and open the project you want to report on. You can do this from your home screen or project list. Just make sure you're inside the correct project workspace so your update reaches the right audience. Next, look for the status area near the project name or head to the Overview tab. Open the Status dropdown to set the current state of your project. Choose the option that best reflects progress: on track, at risk, off track, on hold, or complete. This sets the tone for your update and helps stakeholders gauge urgency at a glance. Now draft your update and get ready to share it. When you're satisfied, click the blue Post button to publish. Project members will receive inbox notifications automatically, so your message doesn't get lost. If you want input before publishing, add collaborators to the draft. This is helpful for leads or cross-functional partners who need to review language or confirm data before you send it out. While writing, make your update easy to navigate with mentions. You can tag tasks, teammates, or related projects directly in the text, so readers can drill into details without hunting around. Mentions also create helpful links that keep your status concise and actionable. To speed things up, use Asana AI to draft updates, summarize progress, and suggest next steps. Let AI generate a starting point based on recent activity, then fine-tune the tone and details to match your audience. AI can help spot what changed, what's blocked, and what's coming up next. If your team tracks specifics like budget or priority, include those project fields in the update so the essentials are front and center. Once you've designed a structure that works, say a consistent outline with highlights, risks, blockers, and next steps, save that layout for reuse. You can also embed lists of completed or in-progress tasks directly in the update to provide evidence and context without manual copying. Managing several projects, from a portfolio view, you can update statuses for multiple projects in one place, helping you maintain a consistent cadence across your programs. After you post, team members will get alerts and the conversation can continue right on the update. Encourage comments and questions there to keep context consolidated. Finally, if you need to revisit a work in progress, access and edit previous drafts from the same status dropdown. That way you can refine, align with stakeholders, and publish with confidence. And that's it. Clear, customizable status updates in Asana powered by AI, ready to keep everyone on the same page.